I love everything about my new barbecue setup. It's right off the kitchen and tucked in here at the end of the deck. However, there's not a lot of counter space or room to set up a table, but I've been utilizing this little handrail section at the end of the deck. On the underside of the railing, I put in 2 vinyl-coated cup hooks. It's a perfect area to hang some barbecue tools. They're right there, out of the way, but readily available when you need them. And the railing on top, I've been using for setting up condiments, just standing there. But the space is really narrow and it's really not much use. So I thought I'd convert that into a counter by making a simple shelf. This is just a wide board, and on the underside you can see I screwed on 2 pieces of narrow wood to form this cleat that has an L-shaped notch. And that notch fits right onto the back of the handrail. Then you just tap it and it locks right in place. Nice and sturdy. Plenty of room, look at that, for a big platter or plates of food. And the great thing is, at the end of the day, when you're all done barbecuing, just pop it off and store it away.
Simple Solutions is brought to you by Titebond, the Pro's Advantage.